Are you frustrated? Are you hoping for a better solution? Don't worry. We have got you covered. Meet STEM, a one-of-a-kind solution too. The product comes with 10 plus activities, STEM-based activities, do-it-yourself DIY kit. Our customers love this activity kit. Our core principles at STEM are 1. Concept-based learning 2. Team-based learning 3. Inquiry-based learning. Sounds exciting? For more details visit our website www.stemsung.com. Call us on 9606618218. Kits available on Amazon, Flipkart and Meesho.